turn around slowly. And there he is. No barking. No jumping. Just sitting there. Watching you like you're his whole world. He doesn't need words. He doesn't need attention. He's just happy you're home. Minutes pass, and he still hasn't moved. That's when you realize this isn't just a dog. This is loyalty. This is comfort. This is unconditional love. Waiting for you every single day. And somehow, everything feels okay again.